loaded up with snacks and different foods. Squeeze into this tiny shirt. My big bag.
I don't know if you're hearing that song, but I don't know who them referring to. Are you never called Big Bag?
Never called Big Bag. I've lost weight. What do you mean?
It's welcome back to Daytime Live. The show is about to get turned up because we're turning up the heat. Not necessarily the temperature. It's about to get hot, fiery, spicy. We're talking about wings. Now today it's a battle of heat, stamina, and courage. When I understand this part, the host who can handle the spice and eat the most wings will be crowned the ultimate wing champion.
Love that.
I object, Your Honor. First of all, I object.
You know who would be the best person for this?
What?
Power.
Power.
Power love pepper.
Yeah, you and Power should have go at it.
Yeah.
But guys, we're not doing this alone, right? Because our wings have been wonderfully prepared by the incredible Chef Candace Carr, CCC,
There you
who
go.
not only brought the heat, but she will also judge who earns the glory. Now, before we jump into it, Chef.
Yes.
I'm seeing some wings on here. Tell us a little bit about the wings that you prepared for us today.
So the wings that I prepared for you today are spicy wings. They are baked to perfection, and I hope that you guys enjoy them.
When you say spicy wings, now honey spicy wings.
How spicy? They're not too spicy. There's Scotch bonnet, there's habanero peppers. There's a lot of different spices going on in there. You'll be fine.
Any spice that you use that have more than one syllable?
You know it's your problem.
Habanero.
Habanero.
So wait, so is it all the same ones or each one will be different?
No, they're the
Those are
same.
yours.
They're the
Those are
same.
yours.
They're the same. Yeah, yours
Those
is
are yours.
right over
That's what I
here.
did.
You can.
So go on.
Come on.
Over there, so.
So our challenge is
One
to
of it.
eat as many as we can. What
Hold
is
on,
our
stop.
challenge?
Yes,
Go
so
switch
your
this.
challenge is to eat as...
Why are you switching it?
And the first time I see wings was so thick. You can't have those. All right, a little backstory. The producer for it today called us, Stevie, I'm calling out your name, called us and said, hey, do you have any food allergies? We didn't know this was what was planned. So we are unprepared for this. So
Don't worry about it.
None of us had.
Trust me,
So
you'll be fine.
So it's that time.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
All right.
So, yeah.
Guys,
So it's on your mark, get set, go, type of vibe?
If
that's
that's what you want.
All right.
Sure.
All right, on your mark,
All
you
right.
can set us off.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So wait, what is the goal?
To eat as many as you possibly can.
What is the goal? To eat as many as we can?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you want me over here on the end?
You can come right.
And
Or
her
you
in
want
the
me in the
middle?
middle? Okay, sure.
See,
All right.
come right beside me, yeah?
No problem.
Because more you're right beside me, so just in case.
Wait. One more time. So you want me to eat all of these?
As much as you can. If you can eat all of them, that would be great.
We're not the
talking all the
person
time.
that... No, I'm trying to talk all the time.
Why?
There is method to
All
my
right,
madness.
all right. On your mark?
No.
Get
We're
set.
not
On
the
your mark?
person that eats
Yeah.
the
Get
most.
set, go.
Yeah.
I'm on a diet. You
Go,
know, they
girl.
call me Big
Come
Bag.
on.
You hear
Come,
the song playing? Big
Let's go.
Bag,
No,
Big
no,
Bag. You hear the song?
Let me
Will not
assist
embarrass
you.
me for national television. I'm coming on Big Bag.
It's nice though. Nice? Hot? No?
Big Bag, Big Bag.
I got this. No? One? Come on.
Oh, good.
Let's do this. You got this.
No, woo, Dufton.
Yes.
Dufton, why do you take the smallest ones? We can just
You're
buy
not
one out of
eating
them.
anymore. Yes. Tell me what it is.
Why is there someone? First of all, it tastes amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
First of all, it tastes really good.
I'm offended by
How's
the
it going?
song.
How's it going?
I'm trying to
Good?
cough.
Yeah.
Is your lungs up?
Candice,
Yes.
why you stay like this?
I just did
God
what they
don't
told
like
me
ugly,
to
Candice.
do.
God don't like ugly, and I feel like
But
in
he
this
loves these
moment,
wings though. Courtesy of Chef Candace Carr.
Dufton, you're going though.
Proud of you. I feel like you're going to be the winner though. Yes? Ooh, get it.
Stevie, I'm going to get back at you.
So here's the thing, that my question, right?
Yes, you can ask.
When later this evening, when I need to use a bathroom,
Right. Just have some milk. Milk will help with the burning. It's fun fact.
Dufton, I'm not joking. You know what spicy food does?
Dufton, you're doing very well.
Big bag, big bag. Dufton,
You're doing very well. But for all your catering needs, if you ever need, less than spicy wings, you can always find me and call me and I'll cater for you. I'll even throw in private lessons to teach you how to make these wings or less than spicy wings. fine. You'll be fine. Get through it. You got this. Proud of you. Keep it going.
I feel like I'm winning.
Yeah.
You only eat one.
He's like 2 in. That's very
This is my
good.
second one.
I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Yep.
But mine are bigger than his.
It's okay. You know? That's okay. Doing so good, guys. You're welcome.
Ooh, give some higher water.
Can I have a napkin? I'll dry it for you. You're doing well.
Candice,
Thank
don't
you.
come back here.
They can't
I'm
tell
a
me that.
sinus flare
No,
up.
they can't tell me that. I'll be
Candice,
back.
you can't tell me that. I'll come back tomorrow.
Of course. I'll come back with something nice for you tomorrow. Not spicy.
Where's the milk?
The milk? I think that should be your reward.
Dufton,
Can I
you
have
okay
some
there?
milk?
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big
Well, I think my job here is done.
is loaded.
I think I delivered. Yeah? Is it spicy?
This tiny shirt, my big bag has
I'm gonna drop down your camera home.
Yeah.
big bag,
I'll nurse it back to health. It'll be fine.
big bag,
You're doing well.
big bag, big bag, big bag,
It's a spicy wings challenge.
big bag,
No?
big bag, big bag.
First of all, I am actually eating all mine.
I'm very proud of you.
Look at my bone. Look at his bone.
Dufton,
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
So notice I swapped one and I took one. I was right.
all right, so
Where can we find on social media?
you can find me. No? Okay. Okay, all right. Who won first?
You said
All
I'd win.
All right, you win. You won. Who won? You won. You did it. You won. She went 3. So Dufton's
Chef.
won something.
Peace.
Yes.
When we find on social media?
Will you find me at Chef Candace Carr on
Come here,
all
Dwayne.
social media?
Dwayne, come.
You're doing well.
What's okay?
Later, I'm soon come back.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different